Find all ordered prime numbers a, b, c, satisfying a plus b plus c equals 94, ab plus bc plus ca equals 2075. The problem requires finding primes ABC which satisfy the equations. Here we have a list of prime numbers less than 94. Since a plus b plus c equals 94, which is even, so one of ABC must be 2. Without loss of generality, assume a equals 2. Substitute a equals 2 in a plus b plus c equals 94 and ab plus bc plus ca equals 2075. We have 2 plus b plus c equals 94. 2b plus bc plus 2c equals 2075. b plus c equals 92. 2 times b plus c plus bc equals 2075. b plus c equals 92. bc equals 1891. From equation 1, c equals 92 minus b. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. We have b times 92 minus b equals 1891. By expanding the left-hand side of the equation and rearranging the equation, we can now write b squared minus 92b plus 1891 equals 0. We can factorize the left-hand side of the equation. So now we can write b minus 31 times b minus 61 equals 0. Thus, b equals 31 or b equals 61. From equation 3, we have c equals 61 or c equals 31. Hence, ABC equals 2, 31, 61. 2, 61, 31 are two sets of solutions by assuming a equals 2. Since a, b, c are symmetrical, so a, b, c equals 31 to 61. 61 to 31 are two sets of solutions by assuming b equals 2. Similarly, 31, 61, 2, 61, 31, 2 are two solutions of the equation by assuming c equals 2. So in total, we have 6 sets of solutions. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.